Wait, this is empty? Oh, this is empty. Okay. Hi, it's me, Josiah. After 5 months, one of my friends pointed out at school. Well, speaking of 5 months, me and my mom were thinking, what if we made another video? Like, it's been so long. Like, it's just been so long, like 5 months. That's a really long time. I mean, well, it's not as long as a year, but you still get what I'm saying. So today I decided to do a video because since I started going in person, well, no, I think I got too far. Ever since I left virtual school, there we go. I finished 2nd grade. I have pretty much just taken a break. I'm like, you know what? This starts to get tiring. Like, if you've seen the bloopers that I've made, you see it takes a lot of tries to make these videos. So sometimes I just got tired, so I took a break. But now we realize it's probably been really long. And also, now that multiple people have pointed it out, I noticed you guys are paying actually attention to my videos, so thanks a lot for that. Like, my aunt said, somebody from Guyana, South America, aka when my mom was born, was literally asking for videos, so that's all pretty cool. Thank you a lot. And 2, other crazy stuff has been happening. Like, get this. I got a C+ on my test. Alright, some of it was careless mistakes, some of it I didn't understand. Again, I'm bilingual in the class, so I don't know. But like, some are careless mistakes, like, let's see. From largest to smallest, what is the biggest? So like you'd have 4,000, and then you'd have 5,001, 5,002, 5,003. Except that's what I thought it said when it really said, what was it again? It was shortest to largest instead of largest to smallest. So that was one of the chaos mistakes I made and some I didn't understand. But one of the parts we're going to do today, as you can see, is on this board. And this is actually one of the questions I got wrong on my test. So now we're going to go to this. What is the value of the expression? Well, here we have the number 5,084. Now basically this right here is called expanded form. This over here, right here, this is called expanded form. You have here. So you have 5,000 because you have the number 5,000, 0, 8, and then 4. AKA 5,084. So, yeah, 5,000. This is worth 5,000 because it's in the thousands column. So it's 5,000 over here. Now there's nothing over here, so this is worth 0. We don't even put anything. Plus 80, because this is in the tens, it's worth 80. And then this is worth 4 because it's in the units, so it doesn't have any other zeros, which will get you 5,084. And now that you have 5,084, we're gonna expand that problem, like call it expanded form or different ways to do math. Like one of the ways they teach, this is one of the ways they teach. So now we have to answer the problem. What is the value of the expression? That's the question. I actually thought that was the title, but it's actually the question. So here's our answers. One is 5,084. That could be a maybe, so let's just keep it like this for now. So now we have 5,408, 408, and that wouldn't make any sense because if you see here, this is in the hundreds column, and if you guys remember, there wasn't a hundreds column. There was only a thousands. Oh my God, these things are like getting on the board. There's only a thousands, tens, and units. So this can't be right because there was nothing for the hundreds, and this is in the hundreds place. And also, this 4 again is in the hundreds place when the real 4 is in the units. So that's a no-no. This is 5,804. Now that is the problem I actually circled because I didn't pay attention. Because remember, this is in the tens, okay? Tens. This is in the tens because it only has 1 0. But I thought, I got confused and I wasn't paying it. I didn't get confused, I just wasn't paying attention. This is in the tens, not the hundreds. This is in the hundreds because after 5,000, it is 100. So this is in the hundreds, not the tens. And then we have this. So this is the one I actually circled. But if I would have paid attention, this is wrong. By the way, this isn't the one I got a 75 line. This is the 95 I got because of this careless mistake. Just remember, in 3rd grade, for everybody else who is in 3rd grade, it actually starts getting hard. So you have to pay attention. You pay attention or you just lose it. Like, I almost hardly even noticed I got a 75. I mean, imagine if I would have made one more careless mistake. That's a 60 right there. So, just make sure you're paying attention. Because if you're not paying attention, that's a low grade for you, and nobody wants low grades. So anyways, now we have 50,884. Now, in Spanish, we call this decenas de millad because it's like from 10,000 all the way to 90,000. So, with that, this is a 4-digit number. This is 1 digit, 2, 3, 4. And this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 digits, not 4, which doesn't make any sense. So, without further explanation, this would be absolutely wrong because this doesn't even have the same amount of digits. So this is automatically wrong. This is also wrong, but it confused me, and this is the answer I picked. This is 5,408, which is completely wrong because this skipped like 10 times. Because this is in the units, not the hundreds. So this is a no-no. And then this was a maybe, which turned to be a yes, which means 80 is the correct answer. I mean A, not 80. So now let me explain this in my own way, not with the numbers already put on the board. Okay. So now we have 4,000 plus 200 plus 80 plus 3. So we have all this right here. 4,000 plus 200 plus 80 plus 3. So now that we have all of that, what number would this be? Like, if you didn't see this here, look at the thing and tell me what number would this be? 4,283. Because the 4 represents, oh wait, no, I forgot to put a comma. The 4 represents 4,000 because it's in the thousands place. The 2 represents the 200 because it's in the hundreds place. And the 80 is in the tens place, so it has only 1 0. And the 3 is in the units place, so it's by itself. Now, automatically, that tells you that it is 4,283 with no further explanation. Now, you can take this way harder than you want to, but this is as easy as I can think right now. You can make it. So that's all this explained, and basically, at the end of the day, all this is just another form of doing math, which is called expanded form. So that's a whole video right there, all on expanded form. Jeez, kind of feels abnormal. I haven't done one of these in so long. Anyways, so I don't know how many times I've said this, but we today did expanded form, And that's what we will be doing for today. Now, here's one more thing I forgot to mention in the beginning. Currently, we'll be doing stuff like in school I got wrong. And then when we get like past maybe this month, then we'll start doing like series. So the next one will be the test I got a C+ on. We'll be doing the questions that I got wrong in there. So for now, bye guys.